Today we'll begin with the new chapter in geography, that is chapter number 4, weather and climate. So weather and climate, these are the two terms which are related to the atmospheric condition. And the climate is one of the basic elements of natural environment because it affects our social, cultural and economic activity. Like example, the type of cloth which we wear and the type of food we eat and the type of houses in which we live and also the daily day-to-day activity or the work which we do. So today you'll learn about the meanings or what do you mean by weather and climate and also the difference between the two weather and that is weather and climate. So first let's see what do you mean by weather. It is a state of atmosphere at a particular place over a short period of time. So whether it affects a smaller area and also for a short period of time, and it is a state of the atmosphere. So which means that it keeps on changing. It varies on a daily basis or even on hourly basis. So it is not static. Okay, it keeps on changing. Like it can be raining in the morning, and in the afternoon the weather can change also, and it can become sunny also. So it keeps on changing. Then another point is that it will affect only a smaller region, okay, of that too for a shorter period of time. Then climate is the average state of weather over a long period of time. So climate, it will affect a larger area and also for a longer period of time. Like we say, the climate of India is tropical monsoon climate. That means it's a climate experienced by the entire country. Then, now let's see the element of weather. So, what we can understand these two terms, weather and climate, on the basis of the certain elements, and they are temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, precipitation, and cloud cover. So, we'll do this element in detail in the next class. Okay. So now let us see the terms related to this chapter, to the weather and climate. So first of all, the elements of weather and climate, they are recorded, okay, they are recorded, like weather is recorded on the daily basis. And these recordings, okay, they are done in the somewhat weather station with the help of the specific instrument. We call them as a weather instruments. And the study of the weather is known as meteorology. And the individual, like you can see there in your textbook on page number 25, it is carried out by a specially trained individual known as a meteorologist, and a specialized person to handle, okay, to study or to record about this element is known as a meteorologist, and the study of the weather is known as a meteorology. And these all instruments are kept in the weather station, and with the help of these recordings only, okay, in the weather station they will forecast the weather. Then next term is a climatology. Now what is it? It's a study of climate, is known as a climatology. So remember, meteorology and climatology. So now let us see the difference between the weather and climate. So as we already know in the first, in the definition itself, the first point, weather, it is the state of the atmosphere experienced for a short period of time. That means weather keeps on changing, or we can say it is experienced only for a short duration. Whereas in case of climate, it is observed for a long period. Like say, in order to determine the climate of a region, it takes a minimum years, 30 to 35 years. Then number 2, it prevails over a small area. It will affect a smaller region. Okay. Then another one, it prevails over a large area. That means it will affect the larger area. As I've already given you the example, India experiences tropical monsoon type of climate. Then number 3, weather is temporary. It keeps on changing. Okay, varies on a daily basis, as I've already told you, or even on an hourly basis, whereas a climate is permanent. Okay, so these are the three, what you say, the differences between the weather and climate. Now, how this weather and climate are interrelated. So, as I've already told you, these are the terms which are related with the atmospheric condition. Now, in what sense, in what case they are related? The element that affect the weather is same for the climate also. The element that affect the weather of a place will also affect the climate of a region. So, in that case, this weather and climate are related. So, in the next class, you learn about the different weather elements of weather in detail. That means you learn about the temperature, the instruments, okay, which are used by the meteorologists, and also the atmospheric pressure, the meaning, and also the instruments which are